What is good, YouTube? It is your mother-sucking boy, 𝙎𝙚𝙬 It is I here on this lovely Friday evening. Is today Friday? Yes, it's Friday evening, and I just want to say first and foremost before we even get started in my Robinhood portfolio, that's today's video, seems to be the most trending. I want to say thank you to every single person. Again, it seems like I'm always showing my gratitude. That's what we do here. I want to say thank you for all the comments, all the DMs after message. I'm getting hit on Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. Y'all are showing so much love and helping me on our journey and my journey to 100,000 subscribers, my journey to $20,000 in my portfolio. I love the fact that y'all are sharing with me where you're at, asking dope questions, giving me support and just compliments. It's amazing, absolutely amazing. So I need you to continue to support. I want to say thank you. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that bell notification because y'all got to know when I'm posting the magic. Every time I post the magic, I need y'all present because we a family. Isn't that right, Manifestor Gang? Let's cheers to you all. Pineapple juice, yes sir. And we got the 𝙎𝙬𝙬𝙠 on deck. But without further ado, I want to jump into my portfolio. An amazing week, very amazing week. I'm so grateful for 𝙎𝙤𝙬𝙬 𝙤𝙬𝙬𝙬, period. Y'all help me to educate myself on what plays to make. Even though I'm extremely medicated right now and happy, as always, I'm always able to tell where my money's going. I'm able to see clear and concise what plays to make based on whether it be their portfolios or even plays that I'm finding on my own. I'm grateful as hell. So with that being said, if you're interested in growing your money, if you're interested in quitting that 9-to-5 terrible ass job you got, no matter what it is, it's going to take you a very long time to get to ownership. So entrepreneurship is the way, investing is the way. If you want to just make some money while you sleep, go to sleep, wake up, a bag in there. It's not always going to be $1,000 every day. It's not always going to be $1,000 every week. It's not always going to be $500 every week, but a savings account grows zero. So anything's better than zero, and it will be significant. $50, $100, whatever it be. It's all about your education and how much capital you have. So with that being said, follow me on Instagram at @thesessionCA. Thank yourselves for being amazing, and let's pop the screen up right now. Boom, you'll see it popped up on the screen, and today we are at 3662. Now, for those of y'all who've been riding out with me since I first started making these Robinhood related videos, y'all will know that we were at 3,800 before. We took a little, shit went down, but now we are right back to, because we didn't panic, we are right back, and on the day we are up over 3%. Wow, what a blessing. Monday is going to be beautiful too. I noticed a lot of you, okay. What the hell, Robinhood? Okay, it froze, Robinhood froze, but we're back. I noticed that a lot of you were asking me about NEO. You're asking me what my favorite stocks are. You're asking me when to get in and out of positions, asking me to do videos on options trading, asking me to do videos on puts and calls. There's a lot of different questions. So I kind of want to tap into what I think about my portfolio, and am I going to hold these things long? That's another question I get. Am I going to hold my plays long? This is long-term investing. So like I said, I learned from the 𝙎𝙤𝙬𝙬𝙬, stock modes, Uncle Larry's, and I do reading. So when you invest in the stock market frequently, you're going to pay attention to current events. You pay more attention to what's going on in the world. You pay more attention to just everything that seems to be happening in the world because it impacts the stock market. So I'm going to keep all of my plays for the long haul. Majority of, not every single one of them. Some are fast. Maybe there's some dividend stocks that go faster, or maybe there's a stock that you see it's an eye catcher, a growth hack, a growth stock that just seems to be on the rise. You read some information, they're going to be acquired by this company, or they're going out of business and then they're going to sell. That's up to you to learn and know that information. 𝙎𝙤𝙬𝙬 just said today that Macy's, I was in Macy's, a lot of you asked me before, is Macy's closing? But instead, we're riding Macy's out to 20 on his channel. So what I'm going to do, I'm seeing he's making tons of money, I'm going to follow suit. Because that's what intelligent people do. Success leaves clues. So I'm gonna ride that out to about the 20 range, see how it goes for me. They also pay a dividend, about 12% or so. And for my number one favorite stock, I'm going to scroll through and let y'all see. NEO, number one favorite stock. You see it was on fire today. Almost 9% up. I'm at about 16.4 shares. And that today was up $78+ for me. So can't ask for more. You see 𝙎𝙬𝙬 aka LCA was up on the day, but then it went down just a hair. Not worried. Anytime stuff is in the red, that means it is an opportunity for us to buy. My second favorite stock, Arrowhead, is up 0.5% today, almost $80, and we made $5 on the day. I mean, just look here. Let's just keep scrolling. SBE, another one of my favorites, is up 6%. So we made $15. And a lot of y'all are at similar positions to me with your portfolios. So let's just continue to build our portfolio. Let's continue to add. So rather than getting all these, because I'm noticing the more plays that are offered or that seem cool, if you don't have a big enough capital, big enough position to get in it, you're not really going to benefit. So instead of just getting in all these other plays, it makes sense for you to build the position in plays you already have that are lucrative. See that makes more sense because you already have a position in it. So just turn up with what you got going on and reap the benefits. And then as you get capital from that, take the profit of that and put it in the bigger play. You see? Fuel cell, Voozy, plug. I was actually told by 𝙎𝙬𝙬 that fuel cell is going to do something similar to our other EV plays, similar to, I believe, plug. And for those of you who are in the blinks and the plugs and the SBEs, you'll see the EV market is booming. It's booming. Yes, it's going to have a bad day, Samantha. I get it. But that's not here forever. You hear me? This is what we must educate ourselves in. What's the future? What are the current events? Health, saving the world is the key, is number one popular thing. So why not get in EV plays? NEO, the Chinese government and gave them billions of dollars. This company's not going to fail. China wants, I think, 25% of all cars to be EV within the next few years. So the plug, SBE, ChargePoint, NEO, XPeng, Li Auto, all these EV plays, there's so many. Get yourself a piece of this and hold it for a long time. Keep holding it until you see it go down a lot or read some new news. And when you want to take profits, you take a piece of it and let the rest keep working for you. Let's continue to come down. I mean, look at plug today. 13, almost 14% it was up. So we made $17. Imagine as I increase my position in this, but we have to make sure when we increase our position not too much to make it so that we're not making any money. We're going to average up just a little bit because we got it at such a low cost. So the more we buy, it's going to raise our average cost up. You see? Planetary, Main. And I got a couple free stocks from some of you all, and I'm really appreciating it, man. Y'all clicking that link and helping the youngin' out is really amazing. Really, really amazing. And it's helping us grow together because this is about to be at 4,000 probably by Monday. What we need to do now, I'm going to be making a video on either some option trading. Y'all let me know if you want to see some option trades, some calls I've done in the past, or some options that are potential to happen. And what I'm going to do with the options is I'm going to do an option. I'll probably do an option and then have you all join with me. We'll do it together and see how the outcome is. Hopefully Stock Mode, 𝙎𝙬𝙬, others, they also have some good insight and some other plays going, so I can give you those plays too, as well as anything else I find. Again, I'm grateful to all of you. This is super amazing as we grow on our journey, because I am here to feed your mind, to feed your ears through the music, to feed your spirit, and to feed your stomachs. So the fact that y'all are rocking out with me means you're reaching your sense of enlightenment and alignment. So our vibrations are high. That's what's making us seek out money. That's what's drawing you to me. We're a family here. If you are here and you've seen my videos before, I need you to comment below Manifester Gang. Manifester Gang is what I call the team. That's who we are. We just manifest shit. Can't nobody tell you what you can do in this life. I believe in you. Let's make this money. No matter what color, what race, what gender, that shit doesn't matter. What matters is that you're alive today. You can't control how you were born, what you were born into, but you control the direction you were headed when you finish. So whenever you perish, you cannot control that per se, but you can control the direction you were headed. So had to get that off my chest. I love you. You know who it is. It's the session. The Auntie Slayer. I love y'all, man. Keep dropping the comments. Keep hitting me up if you need a call and you want to discuss how to quit your 9-to-5, how to get yourself on the right track, how you can get some thousands of dollars. I remember when I had negative money in my bank account. Now I have thousands in investments, and this is one of my brokerages. So it's amazing to have what you can do in just a short amount of time. Believe in yourself. You can do anything you want. Remember, money comes to us in abundance. Anything we want and desire, positivity, tranquility, health, it all comes to us in abundance each and every day because we are powerful. I love you all. Remember, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell. That's what you need to do most importantly. And drop below the Manifestor Gang if you're rocking out, if you've seen the content before. Follow me on Instagram at @thesessionCA. Until next time, stay lit, stay medicated, and stay awesome. You did.